Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Speechless Hairstyles. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. I really appreciate the love and support I've been getting from this channel. It's given me so much encouragement to continue this channel. So you guys, please continue to like, comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, people are always asking me how I get my wigs to look so natural and lie flat without clipping it on or gluing it on. So in this video, I am going to show you guys how I unbox the hair and the entire process I went through to get from A to Z. And I will leave the details of this hair below. So there's no special way to unbox the hair. Just be careful not to rip the box because you might need it for storage later. So my client really liked this hair with the ponytail at the top when she first bought it, but now she's having a change of heart, so I'm going to change this hairstyle to a center part later. But first I am going to bleach the knots to get a more natural looking lace. And this is the bleach I am using, and you can get this at the local hair shop here in the UK, and if you are abroad you can check eBay for this product. So I've got my bowl, my brush, and my gloves ready to go. So I just pour the amount of powder I need, and then I am using the developer to mix in my powder, and I am making this mixture very thick so that it doesn't run through the lace onto the hair. So I just brushed that all over the lace, and it's a 13 times 4 lace closure. So I have to get that bleach around the sides as well. So just turn that over to make sure that the bleach is on the scalp and not on the hair. So now I'm just placing this face down on a piece of foil, and I am closing that in. This bleach is very strong, so I'm only gonna leave that in for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna make sure not to go away this time, as I haven't had a good experience with this in my last video and how bleaching the knots went wrong. So if you haven't seen that video, then please go check that out later, as you will see the do's and the don'ts when bleaching the knots on your lace wigs. So I will leave that link below. So just make sure you wash properly and rinse with some conditioner. So I usually just hang this and leave it to drain, but I don't want it to dry completely because I like to pluck out the baby hair while the hair is damp. I find it much easier to see what I'm plucking out while the hair is damp. So I'm plucking out my parting to make it wider. The parting seems very clear right now because it's on a white mannequin's head, but trust me, girl, if it was on my head, it wouldn't look like this. So this is the amount of hair that I took out from the parting. Now onto the baby hairs. My client don't want a lot of baby hair, so I'm making them very thin. I'm now going to flip the wig over and sew in my elastic band. Make sure you measure this on your head or your client's head before sewing this on. So this is how I see most people sew in the elastic band, but this isn't how I usually do it. But I just want to show you guys both methods so you can see the difference. I'm now trying this on my client's head, and as you can see, it's not lying as flat on the hairline. I suppose this method would work if you're using glue, but I definitely don't use glue, especially if I am doing a center part. So now I'm going to show you the method that I usually use. And I'm showing you guys on a different wig as my previous client was in a hurry, so I didn't get to record the final product. So I usually sew the elastic band onto the lace closer to the hairline like this. And with this method, you have to be careful not to rip the lace. So sew in gently and carefully. And you just need to sew in a very thin line. I've been using this method for years and I've never had any problems with this ripping my lace, so I hope you will find this method useful. So once you've done up your baby hairs, just use your foundation to line your middle part to get that perfect blend. And there are many different styles that you can do with this. You can put a pony at the top or even 2 ponies. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. Also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. Also don't forget to tune in every Sunday as I will be premiering a new hairstyle every Sunday at 6 p.m. London UK time. Thank you guys for watching and please remember to join me next Sunday. Take care guys. See you soon.